Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. So as you can see here, I've already have my data and also the column chart here, and I'm going to make another chart which is the pie charts, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, just select the data that you want to add into the pie chart. For example, I want to add the names, writing score, and also the speaking score in my pie chart. And then when you're done blocking, just select the insert menu at the top and click on the chart option. Just wait. Okay, so here the default chart that has been added is the column chart. You can just change the chart type in here into the pie chart. Just scroll down and click on the pie chart that you want to use. This is just a common pie chart. This is the donut chart and also 3D pie chart. I'm going to use the 3D one. So here is the chart that has been created in the file. So what you can just make some adjustments. For example, you can also adjust the size of the chart. I'm going to make it like this, and then you can also adjust the position like this, and you can also customize it. You can change the background color. You can also change the border, and you can also change the font of the chart right here. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to use the 3D one, and you can also make other adjustments. Just find it here like this. Okay, you can also change the size of each data. For example, each name here. You can also change the color of the pie slice like this. And when you're done, just click on close in the chart editor, and just like that, the pie chart has been created in your file. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.